Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 300. Twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This lightweight sport bike can make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $38.99. Only 2,098 miles on this gorgeous matte gray Kawasaki, just acquired from its first owner, serviced and ready to go. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.